Okay. Ready?
For easy weeknight meals, come to taste.com.au where we're going to have you covered in under 20 minutes. Now, Elisa, what have we got tonight?
We've got 20-minute banh mi tacos. I know you love a good banh mi, and these are delicious. I'm super excited about these ones.
So we're popping in here.
Yes.
This pre-made Vietnamese salad dressing.
Yes, it's such a good little cheat. We're going to pop that in there, and that'll pickle the carrot.
That's fantastic. And we've bought the carrot already done for us, chopped up from the supermarket.
So I've got some pork mince here. I've got some garlic, ginger, and some Maggi seasoning, which is like the secret ingredient.
And so you can just quickly use your hands to get that all together, clean hands.
All right, it's time to put our mince mixture on our tortillas now. So Shelley, I'm going to get you to help me with this.
Yep.
Just grab a portion. Just going to put it in the middle and then just squeeze it out, spread it out over the tortilla. We want to leave a little bit of a border around the outside.
Just spread it out. Now, does it need to be even?
Well, as even as you can get it.
Fantastic.
Well, then now we're going to fry them. Okay, a little bit of oil, a little bit, not a lot. All right, this is why it's a smash taco, guys. So pressing them down like this just helps the tortilla stick to the meat. 2 minutes on this side, and then we're going to flip it over. We can cook it just for the 30 seconds just to give it some colour.
So Elisa, we've finished the cooking and it's all set up, ready to go. And this looks amazing, can I say? And the family can all build their own, which I love. So what do I need to do?
Okay, I'm going to guide you through the banh mi 101. Pop one on your plate.
Yep.
Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of mayo. You don't have to put the mayo on if you don't want to, but I think it's good. Then we're going to go carrot next, and then cucumber, and then I'm going to bring this over.
Cool, thank you.
As much or as little as you like on the herbs. So I'm going to go a lot because
I like the shallot and I love a bit of coriander. Not everybody likes coriander, but I love it.
Same with the chili. I'm going to add some because I love it. So we've got some extra salad dressing that you can drizzle on top and some lime. I'm going to go with both because I like it saucy. So
okay, well, I'm just going to go lime.
Lime? Oh, there you go.
Thank you, darling.
Okay.
I like the freshness. Okay, so what do? We fold it over?
Fold it over and dig in.
Oh, look at that. How amazing does that look? Cheers. Cheers.
Yum, so fresh.
I love that for a new
Same. I love that too. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I mean, I made it. Exactly.
If you want easy meals that are only going to take you 20 minutes, come to taste.com.au for the recipes and so much more.